Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You have permission and the file ready. Start now. In the source library, open the item menu and choose Copy Link. Make sure to select the link type that matches your goal: people with existing access, anyone with the link, or specific people. Once chosen, select whether you want a view-only or edit link. That determines downstream behavior. Copy the generated URL to your clipboard and keep the destination page open so you can paste the link where you need it next. Now paste the copied URL into the destination. If you're adding to a library, choose New Link and paste. The file will appear as a linked item that points to the original. If editing a Sharepoint page, add a quick links web part, choose Add Link, paste, then configure the tile or list display. Make sure the display name is meaningful and change the open behavior to New Tab if you want to keep users on the site. Once configured, save or publish to finalize the connection. Finish by validating the link works for intended users. Click the link as if you were them. If you hit a permission error, update the source file sharing settings or generate a new link with broader access. If the link breaks after a file move or rename, use the original file's version history or library recycle bin to restore or locate it, then update the link. One tip: always test in a different browser or an incognito window to catch caching and permission surprises before announcing the link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.